I have never seen you attending my class before. Open your camera, let me see your face. I don't even remember who you are.
Wait.
Okay, this is Kushag. All right. So, are you ready with your book? Are you ready with your book?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why so unsure about it?
Now, ma'am, I am ready with my book.
Okay, so Kushag, this time you'll be giving your exams in school, right? Your UT is going to
Yes,
be held
ma'am.
in the school. And this
Ma'am, but
time
we can also give it online.
you can give it online.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who are
Ma'am,
not
but
coming to
French is, ma'am, very difficult. Ma'am, if you
yes.
don't understand it.
Beta, and why you don't understand it? Because you don't attend classes. This is the reason why you don't understand it. Because to learn any language,
Yes,
you need to
ma'am.
be regular.
Yes, ma'am.
It is not only about French, any language if you get into, you have to be in regular practice, regular study for that language. And I hardly see students attending, especially from this class. All other classes, students attend this French class, French period, but it's only 8th A who goes like that. Okay, anyways, so we were talking about, I was discussing about the examination. So this time the pattern is going to be changed because it is a little subjective. Yes, you'll be getting a subjective question paper, and in that
Yes, ma'am.
subjective question paper, you'll be getting question answers. The questions, like one liners, two liners, they'll be long questions, and you have to answer them in French only. There will be long sentences that you have to translate in French. So for
Ma'am,
that,
there
you
can be long translations. So, ma'am, we have given the that question in French, and we have to answer in
yes,
English.
like for example, the question is, quelle est la date de la fête nationale française? The questions will be from book only, from the chapters that are coming. It will not be from anywhere from outside. Don't worry about that. But for this also, you need to be very thorough with these two chapters. Okay. So you have chapter 9 and chapter 10 coming in the UT. Are you aware of this thing? Yes. So be, and in between the chapters, all the sentences that are given, go through them very nicely, uh, learn them very nicely so that whatever you get to translate, it is from in between the chapter. Don't miss out anything. It could be from anywhere, whether it is from true or false, whether it is from question answers or from exercises. Fine. So Kushag, is there any problem in these two chapters that you want me to particularly teach you?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So I will go according to what I think you should do. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
If I tell you to translate this sentence in French, we have 2 months of vacations. How are you going to translate it? We have 2 months of vacations. Hurry up and tell me. What is we have?
Ma'am, wait.
Better don't use this Google Translator. Right now you're going to use it, but later you're going to repent for that. We
Ma'am.
have. What is we in French? What is
Ma'am,
we?
no.
Very good. And what is have? Which verb do we have to see when I talk about have? When I say we have, what is the verb for that?
Ma'am, nous
Yeah.
avons.
Very nice. Nous avons two.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is two?
Ma'am, deux.
Very nice. The. Nous avons
Okay, ma'am, the.
the. And what is months?
Ma'am, moi.
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 We have 2 months of vacations.
No, I don't know the that French meaning of vacation, ma'am.
Beta, the name of ninth chapter is the same. What is the name of the ninth chapter?
Ma'am, ma'am, les vacances.
Les
Vacances.
vacances. It's les
Okay,
vacances.
ma'am.
So if I have to
So,
say,
ma'am, it will be, ma'am, nous avons the mois de vacances.
very nice. We have 2 months. Sorry. Yeah. We have 2 months of vacations. Nous avons deux mois de vacances. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the next sentence. It is the first day of the school.
The first day of school. Ma'am, it will be.
It is the. What is it is the?
Ma'am, say.
Very nice. Say.
La.
Le.
What we say first day.
Okay. For this, come on to page number 88 and the pink table
Yes,
that
ma'am.
is given, après-nom. Open that
Yes, ma'am.
table.
Yes, ma'am. Open.
Now see what is first. Look from
Ma'am,
the table.
premier.
Huh?
Ma'am, premier.
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 Very nice. C'est le premier.
C'est la première. Ma'am, jour.
Very good. C'est le premier jour
And ma'am, what did you say, ma'am? Last
of,
school. Of school.
the school.
Ma'am, school is equal.
Very good. And when we have to say of or from, which word do we use?
Ma'am, ja.
For of and from, what do we use?
Ma'am, jour de école.
De l'école. Very nice.
Yes,
C'est le
ma'am.
premier jour de l'école. It is the first day of the school. Okay.
Yes,
Next.
ma'am, my that pronunciation is very poor.
No doubt about it, but you can improve it better. In the last few classes, I made students read in all the sections and all the classes, and they have improved a lot. But you have not attended only. Okay. Next sentence is, they have a red car. They have a red car.
Ma'am, can you please tell me the page number?
Beta, I'm just asking sentences from in between. I'm making you do translations.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, ils ont.
Ma'am, but we have to do chapter 10.
Anushka, we have already done chapter 10.
No, ma'am, in last class we were, ma'am, me and Daksh, we were doing the chapter 10, yes.
You both were doing chapter 10.
Ma'am, page number 93, ma'am, second exercise, ma'am, second exercise, true or false. We have to start.
Okay. So, Kushak, what was the sentence that I asked? After this sentence, let's come on to this exercise.
Ma'am, you asked that they have a red car.
Yes, they have a red car. What is they? They will be replaced by which subject
Ma'am,
pronoun?
ils. Ma'am,
Ils or else? Good.
Ma'am,
Now
else,
they
else.
have. What
Ma'am,
is
else,
have?
else, else. Ma'am, else.
Beta, it can be both. I can talk about feminine day, I can talk about masculine day.
So, ma'am, what we have to write in
If
the
it is
exam?
not specified, if it is not given
Yes,
what
ma'am.
you have to write, you can write any of your choice.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in this sentence only, ma'am, it is not specified, so we can write else and else also.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
They have a red car.
Ma'am, else.
Anushka, try beta. What is the translation of this sentence? Very
Else
good.
on.
Ills on.
On, ma'am, they have a red car. Ma'am, you.
Very good.
Red color. Ma'am, what we say? Red.
Rouge.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, rouge. Ma'am, car. And ma'am, what we say? Car, ma'am, washer.
Yes, voiture.
So, ma'am, it will be, ma'am, ills on yun washer roj.
Very nice. Ils ont une voiture rouge. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next, come on to page number 93. Of this
Yes, ma'am.
chapter, let's do the first exercise, dit re ou faux, which means tell true or false. Anish va à l'école. What does the sentence mean? Anish va à l'école. Anushka, what is the sentence in English?
Anish
Anish va à l'école. What is va? Okay, Kushag, you tell.
Ma'am, Anish wala eko. Ma'am, first to is it is Anish. Ma'am, ma'am, and last is school.
So what is va in between? Va comes from which verb?
Ma'am, it will be, ma'am, go.
Very nice. Va comes from aller verb. The conjugation of aller goes like this with il and el. So that is why when we take a name of anyone, any boy or girl, we are going to say va. Anish va à
Okay,
l'école,
ma'am.
which means Anish goes to school. So in this chapter, does Anish go to school? Is it true or false? Anushka, you can tell it better because you attended the class when we did this chapter. Where was Anish going, Anushka? Anushka, are you there? No response. Okay, Kushag. See, in this chapter, you will come across various things and very long sentences and a little difficult ones. So you didn't
Yes,
do
ma'am.
this chapter with me, Kushag? You were
No,
not there?
ma'am.
No.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So let's quickly do this chapter. Le drapeau de mon pays. What is le drapeau? Le drapeau means the flag.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
the flag of my country. The stands for of and from. So here
Flag
it means of.
of my country. Okay,
The
ma'am.
flag of my country. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the dialogues go like this. Manuel says, Salut Anish. What is Salut Anish?
Ma'am, hi, Anish.
Hi Anish.
Hello, Anish.
Ma'am,
Okay.
hello. We can say
Yes,
also.
good. So Anish says, Salut, ça va. What is Salut, ça va?
How are
Hello,
you?
how are you?
Yes. Manuel replies, Oui, très bien. Tu vas où? What is that?
I
I
am
am
okay.
fine.
How are you?
Yes, very good. Tu vas où? Where are you going? Tu vas où? Tu and
Ma'am.
va. Va comes from which verb? Aller verb.
Ma'am, it will be I am fine or I am good.
It will be yes, very good. It
Okay,
is
ma'am.
I am is not written anywhere in the sentence.
Okay, ma'am.
Oui, très
And
bien.
ma'am, yes, yes, ma'am. And
Yes?
ma'am, then next is written, where are you going?
Yes. Tu vas où? Where are you going? So Anish replies, Je vais à la fête. I'm going to the festival. Je vais à la fête.
So, ma'am, that sentence is false, ma'am, because ma'am, it is written to school,
Yes. So
to
Anish is
festival.
not going to school. Anish is going to the fest.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Festival.
Then Manuel says, à la fête, avec un drapeau de trois couleurs, orange, blanc, vert. So what does Manuel ask? Manuel says,
Ma'am, to the festival,
yes.
ma'am, to the festival where
Avec means
where
with.
the flag.
Beta, just a minute. Avec means with.
Yes,
What is
ma'am, to the festival with the flag
with a flag of three colors?
of three colors: orange, black, and white.
Orange, white, and
And
green.
green.
Blanc
Okay, ma'am.
is which color? Blanc is white. And we call it blanc. Okay? So Anish
Okay, ma'am.
replies in return, he says, Parce que nous sommes le 26 janvier aujourd'hui. Now, whenever you are supposed to tell date, so in English, how do we tell date? We tell date, it is this, right? So and so date. But in French, we say nous sommes le, and whatever the date is. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Nous sommes le, what is 26? 26 in French is called 26. Nous sommes
Yes,
le
ma'am.
26 janvier aujourd'hui. C'est la fête nationale de mon pays. It is the national festival of my country. C'est la fête nationale de mon pays. Written? What is
Yes,
pays?
ma'am.
Pays means country. It is the national
Yes, ma'am.
festival of my country.
Ma'am, pay
Alors,
means country. Okay, ma'am.
yes,
Okay, ma'am. I see, ma'am.
PAYS is country.
Yes, ma'am.
Alors, je vais à la fête avec le drapeau de mon pays. So, I'm going to the festival with the flag of my country. So
Okay, ma'am.
this chapter has got little words like because, so, okay, also.
Yes,
So you
ma'am.
have to be very particular about these words. Learn them very nicely.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you again repeat my full sentence so ma'am I can write it quickly?
Okay. Because today is 26th January, it is the national festival of my country. So I'm going to the festival with the flag of my country. Because today
Okay,
is
ma'am.
26th January, it is the national festival of my country. Republic Day is known as National Festival. It is the national festival of my country. So I'm going to the festival with the flag of my country. Then the next sentence is Manuel says, Ah, d'accord. Oh, okay, d'accord. Now what is d'accord? It's okay. Ah, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
La fête nationale de France, c'est le 14 juillet. The national festival of France is on 14th July. The national festival of France is on 14th July. Notre drapeau aussi a trois couleurs. Our flag also has 3 colors. Now, what is OC? OC means also. Our flag also has 3 colors. Written?
Yes, ma'am. Written till here.
Mais bien sûr, les couleurs sont différentes. Mais bien sûr. What is mais bien sûr? But for sure. Mais bien sûr. But for sure, the colors are different. Then Anish asks, ah
Written.
bien. Anish asks, ah bien, quelles sont les couleurs? Oh well, what are the colors? Ah bien is oh well. So he's asking now to Manuel that what are the colors? Quelles sont les couleurs?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in exam, ma'am, in UT3, ma'am, it can be come in like this, ma'am, we can, ma'am, that, ma'am, in the above, ma'am, you will give these translations,
Yes.
and ma'am, in the below, ma'am, you can give the true and false.
Yes, I can give it any which ways. I can even give these sentences in English and you have to write the French translation of these long sentences. So be
Ma'am, that's why I
prepared.
am writing it.
Yes, very good. Be prepared. You can be questioned anyway.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then Manuel replies, elles sont. Now, when Anish asked him, what are the colors? Now he says, they are. Elles sont stands for they are. Elles sont bleu, blanc et rouge. They are blue, white and red. Comment est le drapeau pakistanais, Samira? Now Manuel says, how is the Pakistani flag, Samira? Comment est le drapeau pakistanais, Samira? Samira says, le drapeau pakistanais est
Ma'am,
vert.
the flag of Pakistan.
Yes. The flag of Pakistan is where is green avec un. Avec means with a crescent, with a white crescent moon. So what is a white crescent moon called in French? It is called un croissant de lune blanc. Un croissant de lune blanc.
Okay, ma'am. A croissant
De
de lieu
lune
blanc.
blanc.
Yes, ma'am.
So Samira is giving the description. She's describing how her flag is. She says the Pakistani flag is green with a white crescent moon, and further she wants to say and a white star. Et une, et stands for and. Et une étoile blanche. Et une étoile blanche.
Ma'am, last sentence, ma'am, etol, bronze, ma'am, it means and a white star.
Yes, étoile means star and blanche means white. Now before with lune, lune is what? Moon. We used color white as blanc, B-L-A-N-C. But here with star, we are using it as blanche. Why, Kushagra? Why is that so?
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
See, in the sentence, we have used white color twice. One with moon and one with star. So when we used it with the moon, we spelled it as B-L-A-N-C. But while we are using it with star, we are spelling it differently. Why so?
Uh,
Here the spelling is blanche,
yes,
C-H-E,
ma'am.
and there it is B-L-A-N-C.
Ma'am, it because
Yes, it is
ma'am,
because.
it is used twice in the sentence. Ma'am,
No,
it is
beta.
because.
That does not matter. What matters is for which noun we are using it for. If we are using it for a masculine noun, we use BLANC. If we are using it for a feminine noun, it becomes blanche. BLANCHE. Étoile. What is étoile? Étoile is a star. Star in
Star.
French language is feminine noun.
Feminine, yes,
So
ma'am.
the color will also come in the feminine form. While moon is masculine noun, so the color will also come in its masculine form. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, coming on to the next sentence of true and false. C'est la fête nationale de France aujourd'hui. C'est la fête nationale de France aujourd'hui. Hurry up and tell.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, false.
False. It's faux. Why? Because it is the national festival of India today.
yes, ma'am.
Right? It is not the national festival of France today. Okay. Le drapeau français et le drapeau indien ont les mêmes couleurs. Même means same.
Ma'am, false. Ma'am,
Ma'am, false.
they are
Oh,
different.
yes. Les couleurs sont différentes. Then, le drapeau pakistanais a 3 couleurs.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
No,
really?
ma'am. Ma'am, false. Ma'am, false. Ma'am, false. Ma'am, false.
Okay, good. Le drapeau
Yes, yes.
pakistanais a 2 couleurs. La fête nationale française est au mois d'août. La fête nationale française, which means
Ma'am,
the French national festival. The French national festival is in the
Ma'am,
month of August.
no, ma'am. Ma'am, it is in July, 14th July.
Yes, it is
It
in
is
the month
false.
of July. So this sentence also becomes faux.
Ma'am, all are false.
Yes. Then coming on to the next one, répondez. Now you have to do this question in your copies.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the question? De quelle couleur est le drapeau indien? Et le drapeau français? Of which color is the Indian flag and the French flag? So, how are we going to frame the sentence?
Ma'am,
A
le
sentence.
drapeau.
Yes.
Ma'am, le
Huh.
drapeau de le
No.
Indi.
Le drapeau indien. Like how it is written in
Okay,
the
ma'am.
question, we will write in the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Le
Le
drapeau.
drapeau indien.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am, est
Is
est
a. Le drapeau indien
is
est orange, blanc et vert.
good. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And
Et le
ma'am,
drapeau français?
est le drapeau français. Même blue, même blanche, même rouge.
Why blanche? It will be blanc. Why? Because drapeau is masculine and
Okay,
we are using.
ma'am. Ma'am, if we say blanche, so ma'am, it will become feminine, and if we say
Yes.
blanc, it become
Yes.
that masculine.
So when we are using it for a masculine thing, we will keep it kala only. Or like let's take example of kala and kali. Okay. So what do we say in Hindi? Gadi kali hai. Because gadi is feminine in Hindi also. So
Yes,
we
ma'am.
don't say gadi kala
Huh,
hai.
huh.
So just
Yes,
relate
ma'am.
it to that and it will be very easy to keep it in your mind. All you have to do is you have to remember the gender of all the nouns that you have come across so far.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then coming on to the next question. Quelle est la date De la Fête Nationale Française. What is the translation of this question?
Ma'am, la et
Beta, la date. What is
la date.
yes, what is the date of the French National Festival?
Ma'am, la date national
No.
de
Beta, pick it
France.
from Kushag. See, pick it from the question only. La
Okay, ma'am.
date de la Fête
La fête
Nationale
nationale
Française et
is
EST. Yes. Now, what is the date?
14
Yes.
July.
Le 14 juillet. Le 14 juillet.
Ma'am, if we write in that, ma'am, exam, so ma'am, we can write 14 and ma'am, that date or ma'am, month name in French, or ma'am, we have to write full, ma'am, 14th in French or
Better
in
say
French.
try to write in, try to give the French number name. That will be better.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Then,
ma'am.
now coming on to the colors on the next page. Now read out these colors, Kushag. Both the masculine and the feminine form of both the colors.
Ma'am, rouge,
Hmm.
rouge, ma'am, rose, rose,
Yes.
ma'am, orange,
Orange.
orange,
Yes.
orange, jaune,
Hmm.
jaune,
Hmm.
vert,
Very good.
vert.
Okay. Where and where. Where?
Where and where.
Then
Ma'am, bleu, blanc,
blur.
bleu, ma'am, bleu, ma'am, bleu,
Blur and blur. Yes.
bleu, ma'am, gros,
Gree.
gris,
Gree
okay.
and grease. Gree, grease.
Gris, grise, marron,
Marron
yes, ma'am, marron,
and marron.
marron,
Yes.
ma'am, noir,
Noir.
noir,
Good.
ma'am, noir,
Yes.
and ma'am, last is ma'am, blanche,
No. Blanc
ma'am, blanc,
and blanche. Blanc
blanche.
and blanche. Now, one more thing. Whenever we put colors, whenever we use colors in any of the sentences, we have to take care of two things. The first thing is the gender for which we are using the color, and the second thing is the number. If we are using for more than one thing, our color will also change its form into plural. Okay? Like in Hindi, we do it. Can you give me an example in Hindi?
Ma'am, lal.
No, let's take kala color only. मेरे
Okay, ma'am, kala.
मेरे कपड़े काले हैं. Right? When we are using kapda, we will say kala. Isn't it? But when our kapda changes to plural form, our color also changes to plural form.
Plural.
So, similarly, in French, whenever we have anything that is in plural, suppose I want to say, my pens are black. Both of you, please type this translation in the chat box. How are you going to type
What?
it? My pens are black.
Okay.
Me estilo son noir. Very nice. Very good, Kushag.
Thank you,
My
ma'am.
pens are black. Now, if I want to say the chair is white, show me how you'll
I'm
write it.
writing, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my chair are white.
No, my chair is white.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, written.
My chair is white. Very nice. Very good. Very good, Anushka. Ma chairs est blanche. Okay. Now it is only with orange color and maroon color. If we are talking about something in plural, these two colors do not come in the plural form. We do not add S at the end of color orange and color marron. Is it clear? See, it is written on page number 95 also. You have to go through this complete page very nicely. Okay? Children, it's time to end the class here. And next week,
Yeah, ma'am.
when we meet, we are going
Okay,
to
ma'am.
continue from here.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.